Okay, we will answer this one. What is 7% of 500? Okay, so ang gagawin natin dito, so gamit tayo ng formula. So this is percentage equals rate times base. Or pwede mong baliktarin yan, that is rate times base equals percentage. Okay, sa problem natin, yung 7%, ito yung rate. Yung 500, ito yung base. So, ibig sabihin, hanapin natin yung percentage. So, what is 7% of? Pag sinabi natin of, so i-multiply natin yan. Or 7% times 500. Okay? So, bago natin i-multiply yung 7% to 500, we have to change the 7% into decimal form. So, paano siya para magiging decimal? So, we have to move 2 places to the left side. So, yung 7% transpose natin into decimal, so magiging 0.07. Okay? Tsaka pa natin i-multiply kay 500. So, 0.07 or 0.07 multiply natin kay 500. Okay? So, 0.07 multiply natin kay 5. Huwag mo natin isali si dalawang 0. Mamaya pwede natin ibalik yan. Okay, so 7 times 5 or 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 0 is 0, then carry 3, so 35. So, i-add natin itong dalawang 0, 1, 2. So, since meron pang decimal, so, ang decimal natin dito nasa right side, so, count tayo ng dalawang place. Kasi dalawa yan, di ba? So, 1, 2. So, therefore, the correct answer is letter C.